Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Mode by CC. In today's video I'm going to do an unboxing slash review, and is the quality good? Are they worth the price? It was my birthday, so I treated myself to a few items, and so I'm just going to show them to you because again I like to wear designer items or high street items with some Afro chic goods, you know, to create that Afro chic overall look. Like here you guys can see I'm wearing these earrings, Ankara print earrings that are actually coming soon on my website ccfanery.com. It's all about honestly promoting the best of African accessories to the modern mind, because we don't always want to wear African attire from head to toe, even though I'm a searcher of I'm a great advocate of African fashion, but I'm also very conscious that we live in a very modern world, so we mix high-end and African, and you know, to create this new Afro chic aesthetic. So let's get into it. So the first item I actually bought for my birthday, normally I don't know, it's not my normal style, but it's this Gucci. I actually tease with people with it on my Instagram story, so I'm going to show them now. So they actually these Gucci platform slippers. To be honest, this is not actually something I would ever see myself buying or actually wearing, but on the day I got them for a really good deal, because I feel like they actually retail for around, let me double check them. They actually retail for, you guys can see here, they actually retail for about £400. Sorry, I don't know if it's very clear, but I have my one of my very good, let's say, business partner who actually work in with designer items, so she can always source them out for me, and she does a deal to me. So that's how I was able to actually get them, because I don't think I will go online, Google Gucci slides and actually buy them. I probably wouldn't, but she had them, they were my size, the price was good, and I actually had to try them on, because that's what I would say is the difference between buying something right there and then and actually buying something online, because the difference is you actually get to try the item, you get to look at them, you get to really look at the finishing touches and to honestly feel the item. So that's actually what happened with this Gucci slide. So I tried them on, I was like, oh, they are actually very comfortable. I was like, okay, they are literally like is it Burnstock? I don't know how you call those other shoes. They're just very comfortable, and they're not as heavy, and the platform is just very nice. And I was like, okay, you know what, summer is coming, we are going to be wearing a lot of open toe shoes, and this looks like something quite classy, you know, people like Gucci. So I'm like, okay, this will actually be a nice addition to my wardrobe, because normally it's definitely not my usual style. But I thought it was a quite interesting piece. For the price she gave them to me, I was like, not interesting. So if you are into this type of things, you know, they come in a bag and the usual Gucci packaging and stuff. So if this is your style, I don't know if they are worth £400, but again, it depends on your financial means. Some people just have a lot of money, some people don't have enough money, so honestly it depends. You have to weigh it yourself, but I can tell you, for hands up or hands down or whatever, they are actually very comfortable for once, you know. But I personally wouldn't spend £400 on them, but they are really comfortable, and for the price I got them at, yeah, definitely. And will they be in style by next year? I do not know. That's why I will never really go out of my way to purchase certain items, because I'm like, what is the longevity in this? How long will I wear them for? How much style can I get out of them? And worst case scenario, if I don't like this anymore, you can list them easily on eBay, online, or Vinted, you know, all those Depop platform, even for like, I don't know, £150, and I'm sure someone will be more than happy to pay for that. So always think of, can I resell them? Can I wear them for a very long time? Can I honestly get the best of my money out of them? Honestly, weigh all your options and see whether you want to buy them. So yeah, I will recommend this, to be honest. It's not that I'm not advertising Gucci or anything else, but these are just some of the things I got for my birthday. So yeah, I think this was good, and they are very comfortable. Here are the Gucci slides, you know. As I said, they fit so comfortably. They're just very nice, honestly. Again, this, as I say, I wouldn't normally go out of my way to buy such things, but and I think they suit any casual outfit very nicely. So yeah, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. So on to the next one. These Alai, I actually showed them on my Instagram as well. You guys were like, oh my god, they are so pretty. And I can tell you, they are really pretty. They are just like some Vixen's triple type of heels, but what I really liked was the platform, and it kind of drips onto the floor quite strongly. So I was like, okay, you know what, this bad boy are bad. And the initial price was like $6.90, but again I got them less than half price. So I was like, I am definitely getting these babies, because Alai makes some really pretty and sexy sandals. So getting them, and I'm a heel girl, and I feel like I'll wear heels until I can't wear heels no more, because I always feel like there was a time in life where probably my knee will hurt me, my back will hurt me, I won't have the same strength as I have now. So in those days probably I'll start just wearing flat. And even those days I really enjoy trainers, you know, but once in a while it's nice to have that high-end platform that you can honestly just turn up if you decide to be very sexy with, and you know, just honestly live your best hot girl summer. So what do you guys think? I will wear them in a minute and you'll see how they actually look live. And yeah, by the way, I got them for like $2.19, something like that, less than £300, so less than half price. And here are the Alais, guys. Oh my god, what I will say about these shoes is they are not, I repeat, they are not for the faint-hearted. If you cannot walk in heels, do not even venture in this. But I think they are quite comfortable. Again, I don't know, maybe, to be honest, I tried them before buying them again, so I wouldn't buy something I didn't think I could walk in. They are crazy high, but believe me, they are very comfortable. So yeah, look how crazy high they are, and you must make sure. So yeah, the other one again that I always tease you guys, not guys, I actually always preview these things on Instagram, and I'm always like, maybe not. So what happened with this one is, like, as soon as they kind of reopened, you know, like on the 12th of April in London, in the UK, straight away you could see people everywhere queuing to go into shops and stuff. And I was like, and I was just passing by Office, you know guys, Office sell a lot of mixed type of wide range of trainers. And I'm a New Balance girl, I'm a Veja girl, you know, I'm a Reebok. I literally like a bit of retro when it comes to my shoes. You will not catch me in Huaraches, you will not catch me in Air Forces, you will not catch me in Yeezys. Just not my style. Maybe one day, who knows, I might be converted, but as of now, those styles just do not attract me. They just don't do anything to me. And then when you wear them again 2 years later, you just look very old. And like when you buy something that has that retro or vintage touch to it, you just never go out of fashion, because they just always look like it's vintage. So I was happy to see that. So this is how they come, the New Balance. So I actually bought them from Office. They retail for around $79.99, so literally £80. And here are the New Balance. I think they look so pretty. But here is something I actually forgot to mention, is they actually fit smaller. I mean, how can I say, they don't fit true to size. If you're a size 6, I am actually a size 6. I have always been a size 6. For some reason I had to downgrade my size to a size 5, because size 6 was so huge. So yeah, if you're thinking of buying this, if you're not going to buy them online, it's better to actually take a size smaller, because they fit much bigger. I don't know why, maybe it's the new designing New Balance rule, I have no idea. But here's what they look like. So I have to actually buy a size 5 when I've always been a size 6, and I'm a size 6 in anything else. Yeah. So yeah, let me know guys what you think. I think again it looks really good with any business, even casual outfit. So yeah, and you can't go wrong with a New Balance. I think honestly this is my style. This has my name written all over it. I think they are absolutely pretty. This is me. If I wear a pair of shoes, this will be it. I'm a New Balance girl. I like my comfort, but at the same time I like my colors because they just make any outfit pop. Imagine this with even if a black dress, and I'm not even a black dress type of girl, but imagine, honestly, you cannot go wrong with these bad boys. I think they look absolutely gorgeous. But you guys comment below, let me know what you think. Do you think they are worth £80? Do you like the style? Is this your style? Is this something you see yourself buying? Because this is me all over it. And yeah, let me know if you would like to see me actually styling these shoes as well, like with some looks. Then it can be my next video. Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to let me know that you like this type of content and you might want to see more reviews of shoes, heels versus pricing. And I'm happy to be your girl. And on top of that, again, do not forget to check my website, CC Finery, where I believe I sell some of the best Afro chic bag in the business right now. So do not forget to check them out, visit, and I'm running a 10% off every single bag, and that's the maximum the maximum promotion always going on ccfinery.com when it comes to bag, because these items are handmade by my teams, my artisan, and we are honestly out here to really trying to promote the best of our craftsmanship to the world. So yeah, let me know what you think, guys, and thank you very much for watching this video. Comment below, let me know, would you like to see more review of shoes, bags, or anything in the fashion sense. And thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, follow me on my Instagram, CC Finery and Mode by CC, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.